Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank, and today I'm gonna bring you a fail-proof way of drawing a Care Bear, or any bear for that matter. Care Bears have been around for decades, and I'm quite sure the cartoon still reverberates on today's design. So here's a really simple way of drawing a Care Bear. So we're gonna start with something that resembles a circle, and at the bottom of the circle we're gonna have a horizontal oval, like so. Then I'm gonna draw a line exactly where I want to put the nose. Around the nose, which is gonna be a heart, I'm going to make an oval, and the mouth is just gonna be a number 6. So I work a little bit more on the chubby cheeks. The eyes are really gonna be very small circles. Very subtle eyebrows. And the ears, which are gonna look just like any teddy bear's ears. Some hairs on top of the head. And then I start working on the rest of the body. So I make an oval for the stomach. Then I put some more cuteness around the belly. The legs are gonna be really short, and then there's the feet, which are ovals with another oval to indicate the sole. Then he's gonna be leaning on his arm. Well, I didn't get quite satisfied with that, so I'm gonna erase this and I'm just gonna hide it behind his foot. It's a good solution, just like putting some character's hand in their pockets. Then there's gonna be the other arm. Now I decided that this one is gonna be holding a lollipop. For drawing a clover on his tummy, I mark a central point and then I draw an X. I start then drawing the leaves around the X. And since this is already gonna be a green bear, I decided not to put him sitting on the lawn. He's gonna be sitting on a cloud. I think it gives us room to give some contrast to the picture. Now I'm gonna reinforce the lines with a softer pencil. And then I'm going to erase the lines I don't want, being careful not to erase the final ones. And it's ready. I know there's a new season for this cartoon, but I hope I haven't made you feel so old. Thank you for joining me on my walk down memory lane. So now please stick around and see the next suggestion YouTube will give you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.